English poem Bow Wow. Let us read the poem. Bow wow, says the dog. Meow meow, says the cat. Grunt grunt, says the hog. And squeak goes the rat. Too woo, says the owl. Cow cow, says the crow. Quack quack, says the duck. And what cuckoo say, you know. Students, as you can see, this is actually not a poem. These are sounds of some animals and birds, or you can say cries of animals and birds. You have already learnt in your KG class, kindergarten class, yes or no? So let us hear their original sounds. So let us begin. Bow wow, says the dog. Listen to the audio of dog barking. Next one, meow meow, says the cat. Listen to the audio of cat meowing. Next one, grunt grunt, says the hog. Hog means pig. Listen to the audio of hog grunting. Next one, and squeak goes the rat. Listen to the audio of rat squeaking. Next one, too woo, says the owl. Listen to the audio of owls too woo. Next one, cow cow, says the crow. Listen to the audio of crows calling. Next one, quack quack, says the duck. Listen to the audio of ducks quacking. Last one, and what cuckoo say, you know. Listen to the audio of cuckoo's sound. Students, how does cuckoo sing? You heard it? Coo. How it is? Coo. Yes or no? Much sweeter than my voice. Okay, let us read this poem again. Bow wow. Bow wow, says the dog. Meow meow, says the cat. Grunt grunt, says the hog. Hog means pig. And squeak goes the rat. Too woo, says the owl. Cow cow, says the crow. Quack quack, says the duck. And what cuckoo say, you know. You already heard how cuckoo sings sweetly. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.